हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके साथ रेसिपी शेयर करने वाली हूँ अच्चप्पम, जो एक साउथ इंडियन स्नैक होता है, स्वीट स्नैक। इसको हम बोलते हैं फ्लावर कुकीज़ भी बोलते हैं। ये केरला में बहुत ही स्पेशल डिश है और इसे हर फेस्टिवल ओकेजन में हम बनाते हैं, जैसे ओनम, विशु, मैरिज, कोई भी फंक्शन। This dish is very much compulsory and it's an authentic snack of Kerala. So let's see how to make and what is the ingredient. Let's check. It is a no baking snack. No baking soda, no baking powder. Let's check the ingredient now. For making achappam और अ फ्लावर कुकी यू नीड कोकोनट ग्रेटेड। आपको एक पूरा कोकोनट लगेगा, ये आपको ग्रेट करना है। दिस स्नैक वी आर गोइंग टू मेक फ्रॉम राइस आटा, यू कैन से राइस फ्लावर एंड कोकोनट मिल्क. So in this video I am going to show how to make coconut milk at home with the help of coconut. So this is a main ingredient, which is coconut milk. So for that I have used grated coconut, fresh grated coconut. I have used it. With this coconut I am going to make coconut milk. I am going to share the video of coconut milk how to make at home in the same video. Do check it out. So we need grated coconut, black till, 200 grams of sugar. This you can use it as per your sweetness needed. You can add more or less as per the sweet required. In this I have used 200 grams of sugar, and here I have also used egg, which is optional. Rice atta, as I told you, this snack we are going to make with the help of rice flour. ये snack जो है हम एक rice flour से बनाने वाले हैं. So you need to have 1.5 bowl of rice flour and 200 grams of sugar. This is the measurement. For the people who do not use egg, they can, this is optional, instead of egg they can use milk. So let's make a paste of egg and sugar. This is just to dilute the sugar. If you are vegetarian, instead of egg use milk, but if you are a non-vegetarians or vegetarians, follow this procedure. So the paste is ready. I have grinded sugar and egg, or milk you can add instead of egg, and make this paste, which is ready. Very smooth and silky. It's very tasty, very simple and quick to make. This we are using to dilute the sugar. You can also whisk it, but with the help of grinder I have grinded it. Take a bowl, add this batter in a bowl and a black till. Now the main procedure, coconut milk. तो उसके लिए मैंने ग्राइंडर में कोकोनट डाला है. अब हम इसमें थोड़ा वाटर ऐड करेंगे. Now we will make a paste of this coconut. See, the paste is ready. You just have to give a round of 1 or 2, that's it. Now I will strain this paste and I will extract the milk out of that coconut. So add little paste in the strainer. Press it gently. You can see the coconut milk coming out. Coconut milk give you nice taste. It's very tasty snack item. All kids will love this. See, it's very simple also to make coconut milk at home. It's very simple. You can see the procedure. So I have shown you how to make coconut milk at home with the help of coconut. So whenever you want to add coconut milk in any of the recipes, this is a simple step you have to follow. That's it. Now we will add rice flour in this batter. So I will be using it 1.5 bowl of rice flour. So rice flour, let's add rice flour in the batter. In the batter what we have made, mix it, make sure there is no lump. अच्छे से आपको मिक्स करना है और आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि कोई लंप ना रहे. और अगर आपको इजी स्टेप चाहिए तो मिक्सर में आप सारा इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो भी है आप ग्राइंड कर लीजिए. आपको एक स्मूथ पेस्ट मिलेगा और लंप भी नहीं रहेगा. बट यहाँ पे विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पून मैं इसे मिक्स कर रही हूँ. तो अगर आप हाथ से मिक्स कर रहे हो जैसे अब मैं कर रही हूँ तो मेक श्योर कि लंप नहीं रहे. द बैटर हैज़ टू बी वेरी स्मूथ विथ नो लंप. See the consistency of the batter. It's very thin. So batter must always be thin. It's not that watery also, but not thick also. And this batter is ready now. Achapam batter is ready. We will keep aside the batter for 15 minutes. तो इसे हम 15 मिनट हम इसे साइड में रख देते हैं रेस्ट करने के लिए. तो जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं ये अच्छे से रेस्ट हो जाएगा और सेट हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स कीप दिस फॉर 15 मिनट्स टू सेट. Look at the batter after 15 minutes. See the consistency. Consistency आप देखिए. So कुकीज़ बनाने के लिए, फ्लावर कुकी बनाने के लिए बैटर इज़ रेडी. अब हम अचपम बनाएंगे. लेट्स मेक अचपम. कीप अ पैन ऑन द गैस in a low flame. See, let oil get heated nicely. This is the tool what we are going to use to make flower cookie. It is a flower shape. See, आप देख सकते हो ये फ्लावर शेप का है ये. तो ये हम टूल यूज़ करने वाले हैं अचपम बनाने के लिए. तो आपको लो फ्लेम में तेल गरम करना है और इसको ये फ्लावर टूल को भी आपको इसमें डिप करना ऑयल में. अच्छे से गरम होना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट कीप इट फॉर 20 मिनट्स. लेट ऑयल एंड दिस फ्लावर tool get heat nicely, then only you will be able to make a perfect achapam. नहीं तो अगर ये गरम नहीं हुआ अच्छे से तो आपका अचपम ठीक से नहीं बन पाएगा. एकदम ही स्टिकी स्टिकी रहेगा. देखिए ये फ्लावर शेप देख रहे हो. सो दिस इज़ द फ्लावर शेप टूल व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज टू मेक दिस फ्लावर कुकी. बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू गेट इट हीटेड नाइसली. So keep it dip inside the oil for 20 minutes in a low flame. Let it get heat nicely. Then only you will be able to make flower cookie. It has to get set nicely. You can see the bubbles coming on from the oil. Let it heat nicely. आप जितना इसे अच्छे से गर्म करोगे उतना आपका अच्छा बनेगा अचपम. So it is heated. This is the procedure. See, just dip this flour tool inside the batter and just put it in the oil. You can see how easily it is coming out. आप देख सकते हो कितने easily ये निकल के आ चुका है. This is the reason why we have to heat it nicely so that it comes out easily. See, now fry till it become golden brown. Turn it. See the shape of the flower. This is why this is known as flower cookie. Again dip the flower tool inside the oil. Let it get heat nicely. So the flower cookie is ready. Achapam is ready. It's crispy, crunchy. See, again I'll show you. This is how you have to make. ये देखिए ऐसे डिप करना है और तेल में आपको फ्राई करना है. देख सकते हो कितने अच्छे से छूटा है. देखिए बिल्कुल भी स्टिक नहीं हो रहा है. See, so easily it came out. Friends, please try this recipe and let me know how did you like it. It's very easy and simple, and it's very tasty and healthy, yummy. Please try this. And for those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so you will get a notification whenever I come up with any new videos. Once again, I'll show you. If you like this video, please do like my video and subscribe it. Keep supporting me like this. Thank you, my friends. You are my family. Thanks for all your support. Keep on supporting like this and keep on sharing your views and comments and keep on motivating me. Thank you for watching my videos. Do check this video and do try this and let me know. It's very easy, simple. See the shape, flower shape. It looks so nice. It is a good snack. Any occasions in Kerala, this is a must snack. What we make, let it be Onam, let it be Vishu, let it be marriage, or let it be any function, this snack is very much compulsory in Kerala. That is why this is known as Achapam. So vegetarians and non-vegetarians both can try this snack, and you can tell me how did you like this. It's very easy to make. So please try this at home and like my videos and do subscribe it. See how cool it is, no, to look. You can keep it in this newspaper so that whatever extra oil it is, it will consume it in the newspaper, and then you can transfer it into the plate. See the shape, it looks so nice. This is why this is known as flower cookies. This is also made during Christmas. In Christmas, this is known as rose flower cookies, and in South we say as Achapam. So Achapam is ready. Do try this, friends. Thank for all your support.